Praveen sir, your co-host, you can unmute yourself.
All right. Very good afternoon, Professor Neeraj.
Good afternoon, sir, and good afternoon, everyone, all the participants. Once again, I formally welcome all of you. And with this, we begin the session. Over to you, Dr. Praveen Srivastava, sir.
Okay, thank you so much. So good afternoon, all the participants present here. As I told you that there were 4 videos which were made today morning. So we shall be discussing these 4 videos. I shall be going off on my video screen and I will take you to the Moodle's site of mine, where I will be explaining these 4 videos step by step. Along with that, I will also show you a PowerPoint presentation, which will tell us that how we are going to proceed. So I'm switching off my video and then we will go to my presentation. Okay, so how to use online learning management system, Moodle Genomio in higher education, day 3. So I believe that all of you must have gone through the 4 video which was shared. That was video number 9, 10, 11, and 12. So we will deal with 1 video at a time. The first video which you must have got was user role in Moodle. That was in video 9. So this video was dealing with assigning admin role to a teacher, assign a teacher to a course, and to enroll a student in a course. So this was a learning objective which was given at the beginning of the video. And our working will be like this. We have to go to site administration, course, manage course and category, manage category. Then we will do one edit profile of the users. Then we will go to site administration right to a user. Then we will assign role as a teacher to a user and unenroll a user and suspend a user account. So this all was shown in the video in the site, in the Moodle site, which was connected via server of a university. So we will be going to Moodle Cloud, where we will be explaining it. Okay, so let me share my full screen to you. Okay, can just confirm me whether you can see my web page?
Yes.
Okay, and you can see my PowerPoint presentation right now?
Yes.
Okay, fine. So that's what I wanted. So we will go one by one. As we create a Moodle site, we get a web address. You can see this is my web address, praveenbit.moodlecloud.com. You have learned about Genomio site yesterday. Today we are going to learn a bit about Moodle site as per the videos. So this is the web address, praveenbit.moodlecloud.com. So as soon as I go to this page, I come with these options, my Moodle username and password. So I will enter with username and password and login. Right, I reach to my home where we have a different options, but I will not tell you about these options because these options will come again in the second point. First, we are going to deal with this site administration, course, manage course and category, manage category. So we are working on this site administration, course, manage course and category, manage category. So I shall be going very slowly. You see site administration here. I'm coming to the top right and I'm scrolling it down to reach to this point. This is site administration. As soon as I click on site administration, I get several options like notification, registration, Moodle services, advanced feature, and so on and so forth. So what I am interested in is course. this option. So I will go to course and I will click here. I will get certain subcategory of course, and I'm interested in the first one, manage course and category. So I will click on manage course and category. And here you can find I have two options, which I believe you have seen yesterday also. Course category, under which I have create new category, and miscellaneous, under which we have create new course. So I would like to inform you one thing, that this category, miscellaneous, is a default category. Now, what do we mean by default category? This means if in case you do not create any new category, all the course which you have created, you can see here the number of courses which have been created by me, they go to this default category, miscellaneous. How many courses are there in miscellaneous? 13. I can create a subcategory in miscellaneous. Like here you can find semester 2 is a subcategory, and I have one course in semester 2. I can create a course apart from miscellaneous. Here you can see I have a semester 5, semester 4 as a course, and I have 3 courses under this. Now I want to see how many courses, which courses are under semester 4. I will just click on semester 4. So as soon as I click on semester 4, you get 3 courses which are under semester 4. You can see 3 here, and these are the 3 courses. Right. So what I will do, I will create a new category, and I will also show you how to create a subcategory. So let's come here, create new category. As soon as I click on create new category, I get an option. The first option is parent category. So if in case I want it to be nested under some category, like if in case I want the new category to be under miscellaneous or under semester 4 or under miscellaneous and semester 2, I can go for that. Or I want it to be a new category altogether, I will select top. So let us create a category called semester 1 on top. So it is not nested, right? So it will be a new category. It will not be a subcategory. Category ID not required, but we can give anything. And in description, we write, this is a trial category. Done. Now create category. So you can see semester 1 is there. Now suppose I want to have some courses under this from miscellaneous. There are no courses right now. So I will click on miscellaneous. Now suppose I want this industrial training course to come under semester 1. So I will click on industrial training. I'm going very slowly. So scroll down, move selected course to. So click here and move this to semester 1 and move. So now you see there is one course in semester 1. Click on this and we have this industrial training course in semester 1. Now if in case I want to create some subcategory, create new category. So top, you have seen that will be the first category. I want to create a subcategory under semester, major course. So we have a major and a minor. So we have opted for a major course and ID if in case you want to. This is the major course being offered to student in semester 4. So we have described this category and we have created the category. So now we have a major course category here, right? So if in case I want to put any course here in the major category from miscellaneous, so how to use online learning management system? Click on this again, go to down, move selected course 2. So where do you want to move this course? And we have semester 4 major course, move. So now you can find semester 4, click on this plus, major course, we have one course, click on this, and you have this course. So this is how we can create a category, we can create a subcategory. Now, suppose if in case we do not want any subcategory and we want to delete it, what is to be done? And what will happen to the course which is under this category or subcategory? So let us see. Suppose I want to delete this major course. So I click here and I have an option to delete it. I don't want major course. Click on delete. So this category contain a course. So what to do? What do you want this course to be done? Move content to another category or delete all? Cannot be undone. So I don't want to delete the course. I want to keep the course. So I will move the content to another category. And where do we want to move this? To miscellaneous, miscellaneous semester 2, semester 4, semester 4 checks, semester 1. Let us say I want to keep it under semester 4. Right. So now I can delete the category. So course moved out from major course, moved question and question category for category major course to category semester 4. That is what we have selected, and we have deleted the course category to major course. Continue. So now we have reached, and you see that major has gone, and that has been shifted to semester 4. Introduction to Moodle. So for this one, how to use online learning management system. So this was about create new category. This has been shown in your video. The very first thing has been shown in your video was to create new category. And this is what we have covered: site administration, course, manage course and category, and manage category. So this is how you can manage the category. So first thing done. Second, we will look how to edit profile of the user. Right. Okay. So we will start again from the basic. Let's go to the home. Okay. So this is the home page. Now, where are my user? Again, go down to the site administration. Here we have a site administration. Click on it. We were in course right now. Now you can see a user option here. So click on this, accounts option, click on this, browse list of user. I will do it once again. So we were in the home page. We scroll down. We reach to site administration, and there we have a user. We clicked on user. We found account, permission, privacy and policies. Click on account, then browse list of user. What this will tell? This will give me the list of all the users. Click on that. Right. So here we have a 50 users. Now I told you in the inauguration session, if you remember, that 50 is the maximum user we can have. And if in case you look here, user and storage, I click here. So this site is full and I have 50 out of 50 users. Though I have managed to save still 50 MB of space as I keep on deleting some data. Right. So all 50 users are there. You can see in first page and in second page. So overall 50 users who have been arranged alphabetically. So the list of users, so what all information we get, first name, surname, email address of the user is available to us. The city or town where this user belongs, the country, and the last access, when this person has last accessed my site, is also there. So now what we are supposed to do? We are supposed to edit his profile. As per this, we are supposed to edit the profile. So let us select any one user. Let us take this first one, Abhijit Tarai. So click on this user. And as soon as I click, I came to this page. Here, this you can see home user Abhijit Tarai view profile. In Moodle video, you will find that they have called this as breadcrumbs because it will tell you that where you are right and which is the previous page where you can go and which is a root page. So the link is shown to you. So we are here at view profile. So click on edit profile. Under view profile, click on edit profile. As soon as you click on edit profile, there are many subsections which are there. This one is expanded general, user picture, additional name, interest, and optional. So 5 options are there. I want to expand all the 5 options. Click on expand all. So all the 5 options are expanded. So I can see the username. For example, I do not, for example, this is the username Abhijit. Choose an authentication method, email-based self-registration is there. I can go for new password to him. His first name, his last name, everything can be changed by the course administrator. But in the video, they have shown you about optional setting. So let us go to optional setting, which is here, or I will do one thing to make it more clear. Collapse all, and I will just expand optional setting. Right. So here I can write, for example, institution, BIT-Mesra, department, HM city, phone number 123456, and so on. So I can give this information and then I have to click on update profile so that his profile can be updated. So let us do so. Let us click on update profile. Done. So his profile is now updated. If in case you want to check it, click on Abhijit Tarai and edit profile. Optional. And now you can see that this is stored in the database. So I don't want this. I will just remove this. This was just to make sure that you understand the working of update profile. So update profile again, this is now gone. Now is back to basic where his profile was. So this was the second thing, how to edit the profile of the user. Now next thing, which is to give site administrator right to a user. So we will look into this, how to give a site administrator right to a user. Okay, so let us believe that this person, Abhijit Tarai, he is the person I want to give the site administrator right. So I will go to home, though I can go directly from here. I have this page open, but to teach you from the basic, I will go to home. Again, I have to go to site administration. Okay, so once we come here, we will click on user and permission. So now you can find this option here of site administrator. Slowly, what we have done, we have gone to home, gone to site administrator, click on user and selected permission. Under permission, we have site administrators. So as soon as I click the site administrator, you can find that there is one main administrator, which is Praveen Srivastava. So since I have created this site, I am the main administrator and you cannot select this main administrator and remove. Not possible. However, we wanted to select Mr. Abhijit Tarai. So here are the potential user we have. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to search for Abhijit. Here he is. So I could have searched from here also, if in case the number was large. So Abhijit, and then I will add him here to the main administrator. So he will not be a main administrator. Now there is a confirmation page which says, do you really want to add user Abhijit Tarai as new site administrator? So he will not be a main administrator. He will be an extra administrator. I will click on continue. I can cancel if in case I'm not sure, but I will click on continue. So now you can see that I have one main administrator, which is gray. I cannot select him, I cannot remove him. One existing user who is administrator now. I can select him, I can remove him also. So, but right now he is the existing user who is the site administrator. Now how to remove him? Same process. I want to give him, I do not want to give him the site administrator right. So select it, click on remove. A confirmation page. Do you really want to remove user Abhijit Tarai from the list of site administrator? Continue. So again, he is back here. So if in case you want to add anyone, you can select, you can add, you want to remove. So you can remove all the users apart from the main administrator. You cannot select the main administrator and you cannot remove. So this covers this option that give the site administrator right to a user. Right. So this all portion is covered in video 9. If in case you have gone through video 9, you can also find that there is a difference between the interface which we are using. We are working in Moodle Cloud and that was a Moodle. Okay, so next one, we have to see how to assign role as a teacher to a user. Okay, so what we will do, we will go to home. As I told you that we will start from the very scratch. Go to home, site administrator again. Right, come here. Now you must be accustomed with site administrators. So we have to see, we have to give we have to assign a role as a teacher. So let us go to the course. So under this, you will find different course and category. So manage course and category. And let's suppose that we want to assign one teacher here in the HM110, food and beverage services. So let's click here. Now you see that there is nothing which has happened, but there is something. Just scroll down and all the detail of this course come here. So all the detail is here. So we have what we have done. We have just clicked the course and the detail of the course is here. We have various options here: view, edit, enroll users, delete, hide, and so on. But the options which we are interested in is enroll users. So click on enroll users. This will give you the list of all the users enrolled in this course. Remember earlier also we have seen the list of users. So that was all the users enrolled in my site, but not all the users are enrolled in a course. Here you can see that only 24 participants are there, 24 users are there who have enrolled. Right, now I want to enroll a teacher. Sorry, I could not tell you. So come here, enroll user, you can see this button here. So click on enroll user. As soon as you click on enroll user options, you get certain options. First, search. Second, assign role. Click on assign role, you get various roles to play with: manager, teacher, non-editing teacher, or student. So we want to assign a teacher for this particular course. Select teacher and then click here. So I want Mr. Roshan Akash, Mr. Zaid Hasi, anyone as a teacher. So let us take a student. Okay, let's just take Roshan Akash as a teacher. So we have assigned role as a teacher, enroll. So now you can find, just go here. Now you can find Mr. Roshan Akash. His role is teacher. So I have added him in this group. I have enrolled Roshan Akash in this group. He was not here in this group, right? So he is now a teacher, and rest all you can see the role is of student. So they are a student and Mr. Roshan Akash is teacher. In your video, you will also find that we can also give, for example, I wanted someone who is already enrolled in my course to be a teacher, and I do not want to add anyone from outside. So let's say Muhammad Ashraf, I want him to be a teacher. So you can see this pencil icon. This is for role assignment. So I could have clicked here and same option, I would have gone here, manager or teacher. So I will select teacher, I will delete student, and I will save it. So the role of Muhammad Ashraf changed to the teacher. I will show you once again. I will click here, right, and I will click the drop down. I will select teacher and I will save it. So he becomes a teacher. So this is how we change the role of a user from student to teacher. So we have done this. Now unenroll a user. So we have assigned a role as a teacher to a user. Now we have to learn how to unenroll a user. So this user, he was not in this class, he was a student. I have assigned him role of a teacher, and I do not want him to be a teacher. I do not want him to be in this particular domain only, in this particular course. So what I will do, you can see here, unenroll. So clicking this delete option will unenroll Mr. Roshan Akash from this course. Click on this. Do you really want to unenroll? And it will also tell that how he was enrolled. I have manually enrolled him on this course. I said yes, unenroll, and he's no more in this course. Similarly, I want to change the role of this gentleman, Muhammad Ashraf, from teacher to student. Again, I will do it, and I will save it. So back to where we were. So I have changed the role to teacher, from teacher to student, and I have unenrolled a student. So now you learned how to unenroll a student. It's very easy. Just click here and click on unenroll to unenroll a student. And to assign a teacher, you can definitely click here and give different roles. So not a difficult task, easy one. Or if in case you want to add someone from outside, you can click on enroll user. The person who is registered in your site but is not enrolled in the course, you can add him as a teacher to this course by this option also. Okay, now what we are going to talk about is suspension. So how to suspend a user account, and this is the last task which was done in video number 9. So how we are going to suspend a user account. Very easy. You have to go here. You can see this option, edit enrollment. Click on this. You can see enrollment method, self-enrollment, status, active. You click this status and suspend it. So as soon as you click this and save the changes, this student is suspended. Right. And you can again type that when the enrollment will start for this student. How for example, if in case you want to suspend him for 1 week. So after 1 week, again, you can start the enrollment, and the time of the enrollment, unlimited, 1 day, 2 day, that you can find here and you can give. Right. But I don't want this poor fellow to be unenrolled. So let it be active, and you can save the changes. Right. So we have covered the last topic. So in this video 9, which you must have gone through, we have learned about site administration, course, manage course and category, and manage category. Edit profile of the user, that is our students who are enrolled. Give site administrator right to a user. So how we are going to give it the administrator right? Right. Remember that there can be only one main administrator, and you can have more user as administrative, and you can add them, you can remove them, but you can never remove the main administrator. Then you have seen how to assign a role as a teacher to a user. We can do to a person who is not there in the course. We can make him also as a teacher, and we can make a present student also as a teacher. How to unenroll from a course, that also we have seen. It's very simple. Just click the delete option and the person will be unenrolled. And how to suspend a user account, just click the gear button to suspend the account. So this was for video 9. Now let us come to video 10. And in video 10, you have a plugin in the Moodle. Oops, right. However, this is not available in Moodle Cloud free version, but still I will, for those items which are not mentioned in Moodle Cloud, I have changed the color to red so that you can understand. But still I will take you with Moodle Cloud website, and I will take with the other options which are available. Okay, so let us see. The first thing it says in video 10 that you log into this site, moodlesorg.plugin. Okay, we will do that. Let us come to home. Let us leave this and create a different tab. So moodle.org and plugins. All right. Now, if in case you have gone through the video carefully, they have spoken about these two search options. Either you can search according to your purpose, or you can search as per the plugin type. Or more importantly, you have a third search option here. What are you looking for? In the video, we were looking for attendance, so we will look for attendance here only. Search. So click on search. You will get all the plugins which have either attendance in their name or in their descriptions. So what are we looking for? We have to find that. So for that, we have to first select any one plugin. So let us take this attendance. And you should go through the description, version, reviews, and stats to understand, and to ensure that it matches to your requirement. For example, the descriptions here says the attendance allow teacher to maintain a record of attendance, replacing or supplementing a paper-based attendance, and so on. So you can go through this attendance. Then you can go through the version. What version are available for this plugin? So you can see that this plugin is for 3.8.1. Now the question comes, what is our version? So Moodle Cloud, we have a different way from the navigation we can go. In Moodle Cloud, go to Site Administration. Notification. And you can see my version, Moodle version 3.8.2. So I have a advanced version, right? Then what we have here? So we have a 3.8.1, I have a 3.8.2. But you should not download any plugin just because the version is compatible. You have to go through the description. And as told in the video, go down to see the comments. They have received so many awards. Go down to the comments. Yes, here, this section. So you can see what questions have been asked, how it has been answered, is it suits your requirement, and there will be more than 15 to 16 pages of question and answer session. So you can go with that. You can see what all comments are there. Go up, 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 up. Right. So you can see on how many sites it is being used, this plugin, 9,402 sites. How many downloads? It is 11,000 downloads. In last 90 days, it is 11,334 downloads. 1,134, 11,334, 213 fans. So all these details are available here. You can also see the review. More importantly, you can see the stats. This will give you in pictorial forms how many times the plugin have been downloaded in different years. So it is used in 9,402 sites, was used in 9,278. So the number of sites which is using is increasing day by day. Right. So once you are satisfied that this is the site which I'm looking for, you can click on download. So as soon as you download this file, it will go into your download folder as a zip form. Yes. So I have already downloaded it. So you have this Moodle attendance. It is downloaded here. So unfortunately, after this, the Moodle says that, okay, we have done this part. So let me make it green. Unfortunately, after this, we have done this also. We have searched for attendance. We have checked the version. We have read the description, checked number of sites, download, fan, etc. Okay, done this. We have checked the question and comments and download the version you need. So we have done till this part, which was shown in the video. Now, site administration plugin and install plugin. So this option of install plugin you will not find in Moodle Cloud. Let us check for you. Site administration. You can see we have worked on user, we have worked on courses, we have a plugin, right? So we have worked plugin overview. So here, if in case I have this additional plugin would have been shown here to us. but that option is not available to us in plugins. Right. If in case it would have been, this is the list of all plugins we have. You can see here, by clicking all plugins we have. And this is the additional plugin which comes as soon as the Moodle update themselves. So they keep on giving us extra plugins. Right, but we don't have it. So we cannot find the option to install plugins. Okay, so now what we're supposed to do then? Don't worry. So site administration, plugin overview, additional plugin. This I've just shown you. So this is additional plugin. If in case you would have been able to install the plugin, you would have that attendance plugin would have been mentioned here. But unfortunately, we do not have that, so it is not mentioned here. How to add that plugin, we will work on that. But before that, I have a screenshots of all these plugins, all the videos content, so that you understand what happened after this. So I've told you that we have saved the zip file. So if in case we have site administration plugin installer, you just choose the file, the zip file, or you can drag and drop it here in plugin installer from the install plugin option, which unfortunately we don't have. Then you can check the plugin. Once you have uploaded it, it will be here. So you install it. Once you install, you get the options for attendance. And what are these options? You have present, you have late, you have excused, you have absent. This is an attendance plugin. So you can change the options, or you can add the options, you can modify the options. It's all up to you. So you can work with this plugin option. Then you can schedule your session, that is on what day you have the class. So for example, my class comes on 4th June, from what time to which time I take the class. Also, you can then, once you have to mark the attendance, you can mark present, late, or absent. So the options which you will give, for example, present, late, absent, you will be seeing like this. And you can mark present, late, or absent to the student, and then they will be marked accordingly. If all students are present, you can click on set status for all users. You can see here as present. So this is what the plugin does after this case, after installing and downloading it. Right. Since I do not have the install plugin Liberty, if in case your university, your institute have the Moodle installed, not purchase, have the Moodle installed in the server and uploaded it in the website, or you are using it via local LAN, you can definitely do it. You will have the install plugin options with you. So now let us understand this last option. That is how this plugin will be shown in the activities. So for that, we have to add an activity. So how we are going to do it? Let us just see. Right, so let us go to home. Let us say that I want to install a plugin of attendance in food and beverage service. So I will click here. Remember to turn editing on. If in case you want to do anything, any modification, you have to turn the editing on. So here we have the option to turn the editing on. Click on this option. Right, so you will start seeing this edit options here. And you can see this option of add an activity or resource. So this plugin will be available in adding an activity. How? Click on this, you know that you will get a list of activities, you will get a list of resource. So that plugin will be available here also. You could have seen attendance. If in case you would have been able to install it, you click on that attendance. So the profile has been updated. Okay, so done this. So this is what they have shown you in video 11. Next, they have talked about the picture, preference, user account, blog. badges, row. This role I have put in green because you will not find this option in the video which has been shown to you. They have given you only 3 options under preference: user account, blog, and badges. However, in Moodle Cloud, we have a role option also. And there they have shown you in the video how to change the preference of calendar. So we will do that. Again, picture means your own photo. Preference here is the option. Click on the photo. Go to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th option, preference. Click on that. So in the video, you have user account, badges, blogs, but no roles. So you can edit profile from here. You can change your password and so on. So there are many options. So what they have shown is the calendar preference. You can see calendar preference. So let us see how to change the calendar preference. Click on calendar preference. So time display option is default. You can change it 12 hour, 24 hour. First day of the week in your calendar, you want Sunday to be the first day, Monday to be the first day. You can select Wednesday to be the first week. So that you can select, though it is a wrong choice, but just for making you understand this. Maximum upcoming events. So if in case you have certain event schedule, how many events do you want that it should be notified to you? 10, 20, 5, 3, that you can do. But remember, this comes with upcoming event look ahead. So this will look for these 10 events only for the next 3 weeks. So suppose your 5th event is scheduled on 4th week, next month, next to next month. So that will not be displayed until and unless it comes within the 3-week range. So for example, today is 1st of January. So 7, 14, 21st. So 21st January, all the events which are scheduled will be shown. But if in case it is on 27th January, it is on 2nd February, that will not be shown. So in that way, you can configure the calendar in the calendar preference. Right. So picture preference, user account, blog, badges, all are there. Badges means the award which you earn. It is given by the course coordinators. So role and calendar preference is done. Then last we have to discuss in this video, add a topic, edit a topic, give a brief summary and log out. Okay. Going again to home. So let us take any other course. Let's go to food and beverage service. My editing is on. Remember, if in case you do not have editing on, you cannot do anything. You cannot edit. So you have to turn the editing on. It is off. Just click it. It will become off. So now we have to switch it on. You see all the options to do the editing has gone. So turn editing on. And you can see all the option to edit comes. Right. So what we were supposed to do, we are supposed to edit a topic. Okay. So let us, all the topic have been edited. So suppose I want to change the name of this topic, or do I have any vacant topic? Let me see. Okay, so this is a topic, though it was when I have selected the course, it was in week format, so you can find it a week. So I have to edit this topic. So to edit this topic, edit week name. So, and I can write any name. Trial. Now remember one thing which is very important, that once you write trial and you click here, nothing will happen here. So make sure when you write trial, you press enter button. You have to press enter button. As soon as I press, the name of the topic changes. Right. So make sure when you click on edit week name, trial _1, until and unless I press enter, in case I click here, the changes will not take place. So edit week name, click on this _1 and press enter. So as soon as you press enter, you will find that there is change in the name of the week. So the week name will change. So remember this, don't press outside until and unless you press enter, it will not change the week or the topic. Right. So what else you are supposed to do? Give a brief summary and then log out. Okay. So now come here, come to the edit option, edit week. So give a brief summary here. Yes, type here. This is a trial for working of editing a topic or week. So once done, just save it. So we come here at the end, taking it slowly. This is a trial for working of editing a topic or week. Right. So this can be done in this way. And then log out, you all know how to log out. That can also be done. You go to here, go to this place, I'm coming to the top. Right, so you go to this place, click on this and log out. So as soon as you click on this, you will be logged out from the current role. Right, I believe this finishes our 4th module. Let me just check. Add a topic, brief summary, log out. Yes, so video 11, done. And then we have the last video, that is video 12. So course administration in Moodle, activities and resources in a course. So what is to be done? So they say that you should go with a teacher login. Now, if in case, okay, let's show me the working. So login with a teacher, right? That is what they say. But here, I do not have any others. You can see that I do not have the storage. I only have 50 users, so I do not have a teacher right with me. So what to do? We have a solution for this. Click here, switch role to. Right, switch role to. So as soon as I click on switch role to, I get these options. So what kind of role do you want? So I want a role of a teacher. So you can see a teacher written here. Right, so you can make yourself as a teacher to see the course. You can make yourself, even you can make ourselves as a student to see the course. Let us see. Let me come to my normal role, right? Okay, take me some time. Right, okay. So now I can switch my role to student also. So now I will not see the edit option. You see all the edit option has gone. This is how the student is going to look into the course. So he will not see the edit option, and those modules which I have not made him available to him will not be visible to him. Right. Okay. So let's return to my normal role. Right. So login with a teacher, select the course topic and summary. Let's do it. Let's log in with the teacher. Okay, so select a course. I have already selected FNB2. So here you can see the summary of the course, right, which is there, module 1, module 2. You can see it here also. So turn editing on. Remember, if in case we have to edit anything, we have to turn the editing on. Now, the edit setting options. Where is the edit setting options? For us, it is here. See, I'm scrolling down. Edit setting. Now this is the course setting which I want to edit. Right. So select course and course topic and summary, edit setting. So this we have done. Click the select gear icon. We do not have a select gear icon in Moodle Cloud. Edit setting and expand all. We can directly go here and we can expand all from here. Expand all means collapse all. So we have all things collapsed. Right. Expand all, everything will be expanded. So expand all. Now what they wanted us to do, they wanted us to understand the general setting, description, course format, appearance, and they have a course summary file in the video. However, we have a course image file. It has been renamed. Yes, it is here. It is a course image file. In the video, you will find the name as course summary file. Now, I have gone through all these videos so that I can make you understand what is the difference between the Moodle videos which you have seen and in the Moodle Cloud. Point one. Point two, the questions which the IIT Mumbai will be asked will be based on the videos. Right. That is why I'm making you understand, because it is important for you to understand the content of the video. So what is there in the video? So there in the video, they have a course summary file, right? And here in the Moodle Cloud, you have a course image file. So general setting, description, course format, appearance, everything is there. Now let us go through it. You can give a course full name. You can see that course full name comes here, and you can give a short name which comes in the breadcrumbs. So this is the use course full name. You can find it here. When you can change it, and you can give a short name which will come here. Now category of the course, we have made several categories. So where do you want to save the course? Remember, I have created a miscellaneous semester 2, semester 4, semester check, semester 4, and subcategory check. So that depends on us where we want to save this course. Course visibility, whether you want to show it or you want to hide it from the student. So let us show when do you want to start your course and when do you want to end the course. So if in case you enable this, you can give a date. You don't want to end the course, don't enable it. Course ID is for you to remember if in case you want to give any description about the course or you want to segregate the course. Then description, you can give the course summary. I have already mentioned the different course summary. Course image file, what I generally do is I upload the syllabus here. So I have already done, I have uploaded the syllabus of the course. Then this is the format. As I was telling you that when I updated I changed the topic form, it came into the week format. It is because here I have kept it in a weekly format. From here only, if in case I choose a topic format, it will show me the topics and it will not show me the week. So now we are into the topic format. So what happened to the hidden section? Suppose some sections are hidden. What do we want from that section? Hidden section are shown in platform or hidden section are completely invisible. So that option we can give course layout, show all section on one page or show one section per page. Okay, what I will do, I will show you what this means. So all section in one page is what we were looking at. If in case you remember, I was scrolling. Okay, let me save it and display it. So all sections are in one page. Module 1, Module 2, Module 3, Module 4, Module 5, 6, 7, whatsoever. And now the overall module is there. Right. Now if in case I don't want that, I want to have going to the course, going to the edit setting. I hope you remember this is course administration, edit setting. So that was all section in single page. If in case I have selected this, show one section per page. Many people find this very comfortable because they find that, okay, one particular section comes. So save and display, I just click. So I have one section on one page. No. This is not this, give my normal role. Okay, edit setting. So one section per page, right? Which course I'm editing? HM 110. Save and display. Click on module 1. So you will find one section. So you will go to the next page when you click here. So module 2, one section per page. The next page will come. Then you go to module 3. So like this. So this is one section per page. And previously you do not have that option. That was all section within one page. Right. So go back to edit setting. So we have covered this course format. So format can be in the topic form, it can be in the week form, it can be a social format, more like a discussion forum or one single activities. Appearance, or how do you want it to, how many announcements you want to make, what is the language, files and upload, what is the limit size, 100 is the maximum, and the free version. So you can give a site for this particular course, only 10 MB or 50 MB. So you have to make sure that here you have only 200 MB. So how you are going to divide this, how many upload permission you are going to give it. Completion tracking is also important. Actually, student can see how much they have completed, how much task is remaining, they can check it, save and display. So this will be done. This is a completion tracking. They can check it manually, they can, or they have to do certain tasks to check it. So just in edit setting, you remember that we have to do all this setting, right? The course format, this tell us how resources are organized, right? The hidden section, how to show it to the, how to show those items which are hidden, course layout, one page or the multiple pages, and all the others, file uploads, completion tracking, you can do it. So this is about the course setting, general course description, course format, appearance, and I told you that it is a course summary file, is not there, and it is a course image. Then the most important thing is at the very beginning, this is announcement. Announcement generally we use for all the mandatory information and news, etc. So you will find announcement here on the top, right? So first we have to mention here what we want student to know about the announcement. So edit setting. So I want to tell student keep on going through the announcement section for latest information. So I have told the student that they should keep on going through this announcement section. So it is availability. I have not made that it is available only for 2 days or 3 days. It is available throughout. So they are forced subscription. All those students who come to join the course, they are subscribed to it. So there are various options. Save and return to course. So now you will find that it has changed. Dear student, keep on going through the announcement section for latest information. So they will find this. Now, how to post an information, how to post that announcement. For this, you don't have to go here. Click on this announcement. So I have already posted two announcement. I can add a new topic, subject, announcement for exam. Your exam will take place on 5th July. So let us see, let us hope that I have given this particular announcement to my students and I have posted it to forum. So they give me 30 minutes to edit the announcement. All right. So you have 30 minutes to edit it if you want to make any changes. So I don't want to. So announcement for exam. So this is my announcement. Student can click here and they can see your exam will take place on 5th of July. So this is how the students can see the announcement. Okay, so what next? We have done with the announcement, mandatory information in news or anything which you want to write. You can write that this announcement takes mandatory information. We have written here that announcement section for latest information. Then turn editing on, edit setting, description, save and return. We have done this. Add announcement, click announcement, add new topic, message post. We have done this also. And lastly, we have to add a page. Okay, so let us do that also and finish the session. Starting from basic, go to home, select the course, make sure your turn editing on is clicked. I want to add a page. So add an activity or resource, right? Make sure that you have turned it on. Then only you will see this option. Click on add an activity or resource. And then come to the resource. And here you will find a page. Click on that. So here you can read the description about the page and add. You can give a name, learning about Moodle. Description, you want to give this page describe Moodle functioning. You want to display this on the top of the page and click on this option, but major page content will be here. So you can type anything. Page. So on and so forth. Right, so I have given some information just to test it. And I will save and return to course. So let us see, there I have given learning about Moodle. So I have clicked on display, so the description. So you can find this description, this page describe Moodle functioning. And once the student will click on this learning about Moodle, a new page which will have this information. So if in case you have more options will start coming down. So add a page is also done. So log in with the teacher right, select course, course topic, summary, you can see, you can edit, you can see the general setting, description, course format, appearance, course summary file. You can save and display. You have seen the working of announcement, how to format the announcement, how to add new announcement, and how to add a page. So this finishes all the 4 videos which you have been given today. Right. Now, if in case we have any question, we can deal with that.
Yes, Dipankar Ghosh. I have unmute you.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
It is Dipankar Ghosh.
Yes,
I have a few questions.
Yes,
First of all, according to the video shown here, I have created profiles in both Moodle and Genomio.
Okay.
And in both cases, do I need to need the site to be registered? Because it always says the site is not registered. Do I need to register it?
Right. Actually, registration of the site is not the prime requirement to run a site. Right. But if in case you register, then if in case any updates, etc. comes, it will automatically be done to your site. So it is better if in case you register, they will ask for few information and your site will be registered in Genomio or Moodle.
Okay, sir.
So
Thank
to
you.
update it, it is good that you register the site. Right.
Okay, sir. And second question, sir, what is the space capacity in Genomio?
Space capacity means
how much data you can place there?
Oh, data. I'm not sure about that. For Moodle, I know it is 200 MB they are giving free. But if in case you have created a site in Genomio, just there must be some option where they will tell you how much total space is there. So you can explore that.
Okay, sir.
right?
And can Google Drive or any other type of drive can be connected with Moodle or Genomio?
Connection in the sense, if in case you want to share the data from Google, you have to give that particular file shareable link. You have to create a shareable link, and that you can share with the Moodle. So people can directly click on that link and they can see all the content in your Google Drive. We
Okay,
can always
that means it will be redirect to Google Drive.
right. We can do that.
Okay, another thing that already have discussed in case of plugins. In Genomio also, I have observed that there is no option of installing plugins.
Right.
Some plugins are already been installed, and some of them are enabled and some of them are disabled. That's all.
Right. So yes, that's what happened. Means they give the options, but when they update, when they require that this plugin is not a luxury, it is a necessity now. When they will give you the option, that plugin will automatically be there. As I have shown the additional plugins, so that will be there. If in case your site is registered, it will be updated, and you can have that plugins. But for the free version in Moodle, they do not allow us to do that.
Okay, sir. And the problem is that in case of Moodle also, I am using Moodle from Windows 7. And the problem was that all the videos show Moodle in terms of Linux. Therefore, I couldn't understand how to install plugins in Moodle itself.
Okay. I understand. Yes, they have. I believe that they have shown both the options. But the technique is very simple. That whatsoever plugins you want to install, just download that plugin, right, in the zip format, and in the Moodle cloud, I've just shown you the same setting is there in the Moodle also, if in case it is in Windows. So you just have to, you don't even have to extract the zip file. You just bring that zip file, drag and drop it there, and the rest will be done by the Moodle only. So you just have to.
Sir, I tried that, but in that case, it shows some error, and I couldn't get rid of that errors.
Okay, I understand. If in case you go to the video, they have also mentioned one error when they try to install it. So they have given a certain command. So if in case you follow that command, I believe that should solve the error.
But that is for Linux. Those commands are meant for Linux.
In the Moodle also, you are getting the error.
Yes, sir.
Okay, but in the Moodle, do you have this option to install the plugin? I do not have the option. So you are using a paid version?
No, sir. The free version.
Okay, but in the free version, in my free version, I do not have that install plugin option. So I will be happy to see that where do you find this option so that I can also add some plugins there.
I think he's using local server.
Okay,
yes, sir.
Okay, I got it. You are using in the local server.
Yes,
okay,
sir.
Since I have not installed the plugins, I do not know what error you are facing. So I cannot tell much about this error because I have not installed any plugins since I do not get the options.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you so much.
The next question we have from Ravi Soni.
Yes, sir.
Ravi Soni, sir,
I'm
you can ask
audible,
a question. Yes, you're audible.
Okay. There is a simple question from Praveen, sir, that as an admin, we can create a maximum 50 user for providing different role as a teacher, a student, or some other?
Yes, 50 users.
Only 50.
Only
we can't create more than.
Look, okay, Mr. Ravi, let me clarify this to you. What happened the very first day also we discussed this, that Moodle initially before the lockdown, they have several plans. Till the lockdown, there was a plan that you can create a 50 users with unlimited access throughout the years. You can access that Moodle site. For example, the Moodle site I have shown to you, I'm using it since 2016. You have seen that it has been almost 4 years. But now, and that was 50 users, limitation is 50 users because it is a free plan and 200 MB. But now, during the lockdown, they have changed the plan. They have come up with a scheme that you can have 200 users, but only for 45 days. So after 45 days, you have to select some plan.
Okay.
Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
There is a second question, sir.
Sir.
There is also a simple one. That all additional plugins are provided by Moodle are paid basis.
No, they are not paid basis.
They are free.
I have shown you that I have downloaded free of cost.
Okay.
And I could have installed free of cost if in case I would have been working in the local server. But unfortunately, I was working in Moodle cloud and a free version. So I do not have a install plugin option.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Fine. Next, we have Ms. Vandana Shashi Kant Patil. Ma'am?
Hello.
Yeah, ma'am.
Hello, sir. Am I audible?
Yes, you are audible, ma'am.
Okay. So good afternoon, all, sir. Sir, I have a question like whether we can upload recorded videos and audios directly into the course content as we do it in Google Classroom.
Yes, madam, we can do that. We can do that very easily. I have uploaded also. Shall I share my screen and show it to you?
How do we go about it? From where do we do it actually, sir?
Okay.
Like content we couldn't.
Let me show you my screen again. All right. I believe that will be better. I'm switching off my camera. I'm showing it again.
Yes, sir.
Just give me a second. Okay. Is my screen visible?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir. Yes.
Okay. So you see, FNB, I'm going to this site. My editing is on. So from here, I will select the subject, add an activity or resource.
Yes.
Add the file. If in case you have uploaded it in YouTube,
Yeah.
you can
Yeah.
do it from here. URL module.
But then only link will go, na, sir?
No, full video will come. I will show you. So let us add. You can embed it. For example, in the appearance, you just display embed.
Okay.
So it will be reflecting there only. Otherwise, what will happen if in case you upload full video, it will take space unnecessary.
Yes, there is limitation for the space in Google Classroom as well.
Yes. So here, if in case you give a link, let us see one link. Let us take any one link. So you see, I have pasted the external link. Zoom working. And here I have changed the description to embed. Now save and return to course. So Zoom working, click here, and you can see the video here. Is it clear?
Okay. And we can go for audio also, sir?
Yes, the video, audio, both will be available here.
Okay, but suppose I create my own video of my own lecture. Then do I need to post it, create my own YouTube channel and then upload it on YouTube?
Madam, we do not need to create a channel. We just have a YouTube ID.
Suppose I do my own video of my own lecture. I don't want to share anything on YouTube. I create my own video with my own content. Okay. Then how do I upload it?
Okay, then you have to save it into the server of Moodle. It will take some space of yours. I will show you.
Okay.
Right, so you have to upload it in the server of the Moodle, this server. So it will take the space.
Okay.
You can add the folder here, and the folder in which you have the content, just copy that here.
Okay.
So your video will be saved here, and now when you will give the link, in place of the link, you can drop and bring your file here, video file there, and that will be displayed. But I will suggest not to go for it because maximum limit here is 48.8 MB, and that will not give until and unless you are using open-based recording software like OBS, which give an option to reduce the size. Otherwise, what happens that the video will not be clear, so students will not be able to enjoy.
And audio, it's not possible, sir, for audios.
Only audio. Only audio. You can do
only audio. Podcasting.
You can do it. You can do the podcast.
It will not take much space.
No, that will not take much space. So podcasting can be done.
Podcasting can be done, na?
Yes, that can be done.
Okay, sir. And one more question I have got, sir. Like with regards to notification messages and announcement, you've said Like when we post any announcements or notification, unless and until the students, the users, they go onto the site, they don't get to know it.
No, madam,
So is
actually, yes, I'm going to tell this. Actually, you see that I have written the forced subscription there. I'll come to that. In announcement, when we were going to edit setting, so forced subscription. So they are subscribed to it and a mail will go to them automatically.
okay. So through mail, they will get to know about it.
Yes, they will get to know that an announcement has been posted and the subject of it.
They can visit the site.
Yes, they can visit it.
Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Welcome, madam.
Now we have got a question, and that's a question it's been asked by, just a second, Nitin Fadkule. He has got a question. I suppose he's not able to connect with us, so he has written the question. Praveen sir, there's a question from Nitin Fadkule.
Yes,
and the
please.
question is, what is the difference between Moodle, Moodle on Cloud, and Genome? That is his question.
Okay, Moodle is a parent. Moodle is a parent. It was basically used only when the Moodle started. They started this with Moodle, and they were going from university to university, institution to institution, local installation. But when they plan to have a free Moodle in the cloud, at cloud means which is available to everyone, it is open to everyone. So they have started with this Moodle cloud. However, when this Moodle cloud have started incorporating subscription, then Moodle fan club, they created Genome,
okay,
so that they can give more free services just like Moodle. However, the interface, if in case they were going, they will find this interface, Moodle interface, much more interactive than Genome interface. But the restriction is in Moodle cloud is more, and that in Moodle, that in Genome is less. I hope that answered his question.
Yeah, that's sufficient. So do we have any more questions from anyone else? I don't find any raised hand here. If anyone who has got any question to ask, if your questions are left, we'll welcome your question. Last some question we can take. There's no question. So I suppose we have come to the end of the session. And Praveen sir, if you would like to make any final remarks, your mentorship has been really very good. It was very clear. You were very supportive. And I think that the content that has been shared by Mr. Our guest speaker, Mr. Praveen ji, that's really quite impressive and very to the point. It was very apt and very to the point. So if you have got any question, then you can ask. Or if we don't have any question, then any final remarks or from your end, Mr. Praveen?
Yes, thank you so much, Professor Neeraj. I would just want to say that Moodle is trial and error. Keep on trying, keep on exploring. Since every day I work on Moodle, since last 4 years I'm working on Moodle, but still there is something to learn. So we cannot say that I'm perfect in Moodle or you will be perfect in Moodle in a day or two. So keep on trying it. As long as you try, you explore the things, you come to know about the things.
The more you explore, the deeper you go, the better you find. That is what.
Right. So explore it. Don't be hesitant to explore. And there is a Moodle community. Right. So you post your question there in the Moodle community once you have your Moodle site, and there will be n number of expert users who will give your answer and want you to get the answer as soon as possible. So don't be afraid of using Moodle or Genome. Post your question, you will get the answer. So thank you so much for being such a good audience. Thank you so much, Professor Neeraj.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your mentorship. And I thank you on behalf of everyone, each one of us. It was a really nice learning. We'll be meeting tomorrow again. Thank you so much, everybody. Have a nice day. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.